pandas to _sqlalchemy connection with secure _transport. I am trying to send data to a MySQL database on a server that has require _secure transport equals on. When I am trying to connect to it with the following code. I get the following error. I have searched for options into how to make the connector use secure transport, but I haven't been able to find anything that works. One solution I found called for adding SSL equals true to the end of the connect string. But this gave the following error. I am able to connect to the database using only MySQL in this way. But I can't find a way to implement this with the sqlalchemy connector. Anyone have some suggestions on what to do to get this to work? Regards.
Figured out the solution after looking around a bit more. MySQL is usually set up to generate CA files and keys on the fly if it is not supplied to it, but the issue was sending the correct flag to MySQL so it doesn't go looking for a local CA file. Found this out here. Unable to make TLS TCP connection to remote MySQL server with PMSQL, other tools work. You simply pass a dictionary with a SSL key that has a dictionary with one key with the value true. I use the key name fake _flag to enable TLS for clarity, but it can be anything it seems. Hope someone else finds this useful.